What if I told you the biggest productivity leak inside modern companies isn't technology or tools or even underperforming employees? It's hidden inside HR operations, the very system meant to keep everything running. Because millions of businesses still rely on spreadsheets, emails, or paperwork. And that's where things break. But recently, something changed. Companies are switching to a smarter way of handling HR, a complete HRM system that digitizes and automates everything. Imagine one single portal where employees, HR managers, and company leadership collaborate seamlessly, where attendance, performance, tasks, payroll, and documents live together in one smart, automated hub. Instead of scattered files, Excel sheets, and email chains, every employee detail is now in one place. Attendance, leaves, documents, KRAs, KPIs, tasks, and more. It's like having the entire workforce at your fingertips. No more guessing who came when. The system tracks punch in and punch out time, working hours, overtime, shortage hours, even daily, monthly, and yearly history. Real time, error free, and accessible anytime. Employees no longer chase HR or use outdated forms. They apply for paid or unpaid leaves, track balance, and see approvals instantly. HR, they manage every leave policy digitally, zero manual effort. Tracking performance becomes transparent. Through KRAs, KPIs, review forms, daily reports, and partial work logs, managers finally get a clear picture of productivity. No biases, no guesswork. Managers can assign tasks, track progress, review deliverables, and maintain accountability all inside the portal. Think of it as your team's project engine. Payroll teams get accurate leave allowances, work hours, attendance logs, and employee documents like PF and ESHC. Fewer mistakes, faster payroll runs, and smoother audits. With ESS, employees manage everything themselves: punching, leave requests, personal profile, documents, daily reports. It reduces HR workload and boosts employee satisfaction. Management gets live attendance stats, productivity trends, leave utilization, and workforce analytics, enabling faster, better decisions. Everything inside the HRM system is tracked. Who worked when, task progress, leaves taken, daily output, complete clarity. This builds trust and accountability across the organization. No more Excel files, no more registers, no more WhatsApp approvals. Everything is automated, structured, and saved, boosting speed, accuracy, and efficiency. In today's fast-moving workplace, companies that digitize HR grow faster, retain more talent, and operate with unbeatable clarity. HRM systems are no longer a luxury, they're the backbone of modern organizations.
So if your business is still running HR on spreadsheets, emails, or scattered tools, now is the perfect time to upgrade. A well-built HRM portal transforms the way companies operate. And if you're looking for a team that builds tailored HRM systems for any type of business, Alea IT Solutions is a smart choice to bring your digital transformation to life.